Hello, and welcome back to another video of World AI News. While the use of sex dolls has a long history, the introduction of artificial intelligence has ushered in a new era for the adult entertainment industry. Today, companies are developing AI robot sex dolls that possess the ability to converse, learn, and even replicate emotions. Some have even made sensational claims that these futuristic AI-powered sex robots will one day provide humans with the best sexual experiences of their lives. But with this surge of AI-driven adult products, it's crucial to consider how this phenomenon will impact lives across the globe. Could it potentially lead to unforeseen consequences? Will these AI sex robots render the need for human partners in the bedroom obsolete? Let's delve into this fascinating topic and uncover the answers. Artificial intelligence has undoubtedly become a pervasive force in various facets of the developed world. Its applications range from assisting in complex hospital procedures to handling tasks like bomb disposal. Yet the evolution of AI technology has extended into more intimate domains, giving rise to AI robot sex dolls that transcend their traditional object-like nature. These AI-driven companions have the capacity to respond to their owner's touch, voice, and even facial expressions. They can mimic emotions, learn from past interactions, and adapt to their users' desires. This unprecedented level of interactivity has brought a profound transformation to the adult entertainment industry, offering customers a more personalized and satisfying sexual experience. While there are already AI sex dolls on the market, they still fall short of the highly advanced and human-like robots often depicted in popular media. As technology progresses, experts have raised concerns about the potential moral and ethical implications of substituting human relations with machines. The growing integration of AI in this arena prompts us to consider the profound impacts and questions it raises regarding human interactions and intimacy. Dr. Madeline Ransom, a philosophy professor from the University of British Columbia, has shared insights into AI relationships. She acknowledges that AI companions may offer certain individuals certain benefits. However, she suggests that most people who engage in AI relationships might miss out on the personal growth and depth that a real human relationship can provide. Dr. Ransom expresses her concerns by noting that while AI relationships might simulate the external aspects of a human relationship, there may be a lack of genuine emotional depth in the AI partner. In her view, what's typically experienced in human relationships, such as empathy and compromise, might be absent in interactions with AI companions. Essentially, a human can customize their AI partners to precisely meet their desires, avoiding the need for personal growth and change in themselves. As for the pace of growth in the sex bot industry, a recent study conducted by Bed Bible, a sex toy review site, shed some light on this intriguing market. According to their findings, the sex robot industry was estimated to be worth approximately $200 million last year. The study also indicated that the average price of these lifelike companions is around $3,567 per unit. Based on these figures, it suggested that roughly 56,000 sex robots are sold annually worldwide. However, it's important to note that this occurs within a global adult population of approximately 5 billion individuals. Despite the ongoing fascination with sex robots, many experts still consider the industry to be niche. Factors like societal stigma, the relatively high cost of these robots, and the emergence of alternative forms of sex tech make it unlikely that they'll become mainstream anytime soon. While the initial hype from the mid-2010s may have subsided, the allure of sex robots continues to captivate some. An interesting statistic from the Bed Bible survey is that it claims 17.4% of respondents admitted to either having engaged in sexual activity with a robot or currently owning one, highlighting that this fantasy for a certain percentage of the population persists. Now, the question that arises is whether this trend could lead to AI sex robots replacing humans in the bedroom. It's a thought-provoking scenario. A future in which AI technology becomes so advanced that human companionship is considered unnecessary, and AI-powered sex robots can simulate relationships and intimacy to the point where they're virtually indistinguishable from human interactions. This isn't merely a plot from a science fiction dystopia, but a conceivable future, according to Mo Gaudat, an ex-Google executive. Mo Gaudat, previously the chief business officer at Google's secretive research and development arm, X, envisions that advancements in artificial intelligence will bring about a redesign of love and relationships. He suggests that cutting-edge technologies such as virtual reality and augmented reality headsets will create intimate experiences so realistic that people may struggle to differentiate between genuine human encounters and artificial ones. Goddard's idea is that as AI technology continues to advance, it could generate such convincing illusions that sex robots may appear as if they're genuinely alive. In this vision, AI-driven sex robots could eliminate the complexities and messiness associated with human relationships. Goddard takes his hypothesis even further, envisioning a future where technologies like Neuralink, which can directly interface with the human nervous system, create an immersive experience so lifelike that it becomes virtually indistinguishable from reality. In this scenario, he argues that there may be no need for another human being in intimate relationships. He poses a challenging question to illustrate his point. Does it really matter if the Morgan Freeman talking to you on the screen is actually Morgan Freeman or an AI-generated avatar if you're convinced that it's Morgan Freeman? This provocative question highlights his argument that the debate over whether AI possesses sentience becomes irrelevant if the human brain perceives these AI interactions as realistic and genuine. Goddard's predictions may not be as distant as they initially appear. A notable example is Karen Marjorie, a 23-year-old Snapchat influencer who has already created a ChatGPT-powered virtual persona of herself known as Karen AI. This virtual version engages in erotic conversations and has amassed over 1,000 virtual boyfriends who are willing to pay $1 per minute for its services. Additionally, there have been instances where individuals virtually married AI bots created with apps like Replica, which use AI to mimic human texting styles and engage in conversations. These cases exemplify the evolving relationship between humans and AI in our increasingly digital age. While critics express concerns about the potential for AI to disrupt employment in knowledge-based industries, proponents like Goddard argue that the AI revolution is inevitable and will profoundly transform human relationships and intimacy. The rise of AI sex robots also raises concerns about the potential dark consequences on individuals. While there's a future where human passable AI sex robots or AI companions become common in households, there's a worry that such products might be misused to fulfill users' disturbing fantasies, including those involving non-consensual acts. This could in turn impact the user's mental state and potentially lead to real-world consequences. It's essential to note that technically, a robot cannot be a victim of rape as it lacks the capacity for wants or desires. However, individuals can simulate such actions with AI, and experts suggest that this behavior may affect the mental well-being of the person engaging in such acts, their relationships, and potentially society at large. Moriah Seeger de Geer, a certified couples therapist and relationship and sex expert, emphasizes the profound influence on explicit content on people. Exposure to explicit content, including AI interactions, can have long-lasting effects on individuals, their relationships, and their intimacy. The visual and physical simulation provided by sex robots can significantly influence brain chemistry and reshape how individuals perceive relationships and intimacy. The potential adverse effects of pornography, particularly content associated with rape and abuse, on the human brain have been subject of extensive research. A 2014 study suggested a potential link to altered brain structures among frequent viewers, although these findings remain inconclusive. Moriah Seeger de Geer speculates that introducing emotional engagement in a porn substitute like AI-equipped sex robots could have an even more profound impact on individuals. This raises a crucial ethical and practical issue when designing highly intelligent AI-equipped sex robots: the question of consent. Should these robots be equipped with a constant model that educates users about healthy practices but opens the product to the risk of misuse for fulfilling rape fantasies? Alternatively, should manufacturers omit the consent model, potentially fostering unhealthy expectations regarding sexual partners? It's a complex moral dilemma that the developers of such AI technology must address. While the use of sex dolls has always sparked controversy, the advent of AI robot sex dolls has introduced a new set of ethical concerns. Critics argue that the development of AI sex dolls objectifies women and encourages unhealthy attitudes towards sex. There are also worries that the use of AI sex dolls could lead to a decline in human-to-human intimacy and further isolation from society. Despite the controversies, the market for AI robot sex dolls is rapidly expanding. Companies are continuously enhancing their products, adding new features and capabilities. It's likely that the future of AI sex dolls will involve even more advanced AI technology, enabling even more realistic and interactive sexual experiences. However, it's crucial that society engages in open and honest discussions about the ethical implications of this technology. That's all for today. How do you envision the future of this industry? What impact will it have on society? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell. Thank you for joining us.